First, waking up early. I started getting up before the world, before the noise, and before the endless scrolling on my phone. That first quiet hour belongs to me. It's a meeting with myself that I never miss. Second, making my bed. This isn't for a clean room, it's for momentum. It's the first task I complete, the first small victory of the day. This simple win sets the tone for all the bigger battles ahead. Third, cold showers. For 1 minute, I choose to be uncomfortable. It's a simple reminder that if I can conquer my own comfort, I can conquer any challenge the day throws at me. Fourth, lifting heavy. This isn't just for my body, it's for my mind. Pushing my physical limits teaches me how to push through mental limits. It's a reminder that strength in one area of life builds strength in all the others. Fifth, reading 10 pages a day. This habit slowly changed what my mind asked for. It stopped craving distraction and started craving new ideas. It's like feeding my mind with growth, 1 page at a time. 6, 1 hour of deep work. For 60 minutes, my phone is off and all distractions are gone. It's just me and my most important task. In this 1 hour, I get more done than in half a day of normal, distracted work. 7th, daily walks without my phone. No podcasts, no calls, no distractions. This is my time to disconnect from the noise and connect with my own thoughts. In the silence of these walks, my mind finds clarity and my best ideas are born. 8th, keeping one promise to myself daily. It doesn't matter how small it is. By keeping that promise, I prove to myself that I can rely on my own word. This is how you rebuild trust in yourself, one small win at a time. 9th, journaling. Every day I write down my thoughts. Some days my page is messy, other days it's clear, but every day it's honest. It's the one place where I can have a completely real conversation with myself. 10th, writing down 3 wins at the end of the day. It doesn't matter how small they are. Some days, a win is simply, I didn't quit. This habit trains my mind to focus on progress, not perfection, and to always find the good in every day. These 10 habits didn't fix my life overnight. The change was slow, and sometimes it was hard, but it was permanent. It was never about waiting for motivation. It was about the power of repetition. It was about collecting these small wins day after day until they quietly built a new me. Start with one, just one habit, and see what changes for you. Thanks for watching.